Did the Mahama government actually mislead Ghana's cocoa farmers? Yesterday, the producer price of cocoa was slashed from 3,625 cedis to 2,587 cedis per bag for the rest of 2025-2026 season. Is the result they promised or a betrayal? Let's connect the dots. Ladies and gentlemen across the globe, COCOBOD, greetings from Ghana. Welcome to your weekly pulse where we connect the dots on events that happened in Ghana. The big signal this week: a 28.6% drop in the cocoa producer price to 2,587 cedis per bag. Finance Minister Castle Tuforsen calls it a realignment with the global market that has plunged to 70% since late 2024. But the farmers are asking, why are we the only ones taking the hit? Now let's truly connect the dots. Yes, cocoa has dropped on the international market by a 40% margin. But then why is the government cutting the price? Because initially they had made promises they were going to raise the cocoa farm price gate to about 6,000 cedis. So while the price cut sounds like a step back, this is a strategic move for financial sovereignty. Finance Minister Atuforsen is aligning local reality with a global market that has been cooled off by 40%. By moving toward domestic cocoa bonds and indexing future prices to the international market, the government is trying to kill the smuggling and unpaid debt cycle. But will the farmers understand this stake? In the political arena, the NDC has cleared Baba Jamal to contest for the Ayawaso East by-election, despite the probe into inappropriate conduct and vote buying allegation. The party opted for continuity to avoid a legal quagmire. Connecting the dots, this is not something new. Monday made known of pattern shaping Ghana's future. This has been a pattern that has been going on, vote buying. Again, Ghanaians are asking, is this the reset agenda the NDC promised by repeating the same mistakes that took the NPP into opposition? Now to the economic rebound. New data from Data Bank and Deloitte suggest the adjustment phase is over. Analysts are forecasting a GDP expansion of 5.67% for 2026, driven largely by a non-oil surge of nearly 6% and anticipation for the 24-hour economy. Connecting the dots. If you're into construction, logistics, or digital services, now is the time to scale. Demand is rising, and with lending rates projected to fall toward 10% by year end, the cost of capital is finally becoming manageable for the 90%, which is the SMEs. Finally, the Maiden Tech Law Conference 2026 at the University of Ghana marked the launch of the AIT Lab Africa, a body of professionals dedicated to the law of the future. Connecting the dots. Government is moving fast to regulate the wild ways of AI and fintech. Ghana is moving from digital adoption to digital governance. Businesses take away. Automation is already hitting local SMEs. Reports showing a 20 to 30% cut in entry-level roles as AI takes over routine tasks. To stay relevant as a business, as a citizen, you must pivot. Don't compete with the algorithm, manage it. Focus on roles that require empathy, ethics, high-level strategy, the things AI can't alone clone. When you connect the dot, the cocoa reset, the political scrutiny, the growth focus, and the tech law push, the pattern is unmistakable. Ghana is becoming a more predictable, system-driven economy. The pulse tells us that in 2026, agility bit size. Use the weekend to audit your digital tools and check your cash flow projections against the new growth data. This is ReelsEdge Global, bringing you signals and connecting the dots that is shaping Ghana's future. Stay sovereign, stay sharp, and we'll see you on Monday to track the next part in shaping Ghana's future. Tomorrow is Vows Day. Make sure you show some love, grab yourself some golden tree chocolate, and spread love across. Have a lovely and a great weekend.